so driving, reverse work, transmission work, YouTube. Hey look, I got the belt on there. I don't know, that pulley might be loose. It sounds like that pulley loose. It might be doing a little shaking. I ain't want to keep starting it up without the coolant being hooked up to it. I gotta get an oil cap. This one right here broke. I had the one on the bubble up there. There's something in there. Going to smoking. All vehicles, we're about to find out. So far, so good, no leaks. Ah, shit. See right there, you see that? That's gonna leak. So she definitely gonna have to get a new radiator. That's that damn pulley right there. Making it noise. Yeah, so radiator. Definitely a radiator and an oil cap ASAP. I topped off the oil too, just so I can let it sit here and run for a little bit before I change the oil. Ready to get everything in there good and worked up, so when I drain it, hopefully most of that old sludge and that old oil slide right out. I might do 2 oil changes on it just because I back the oil in. This thing running strong though. 292,000 miles. Seems like she idle kind of high. I ain't gonna fuck with it right now. Alright, YouTube. I'm back at it. I'm about to go ahead and snap these pieces up here. I've been having them sitting around. And the truck almost on something like she wanna be ready to drive, take for a little spin. Alright, so this right here is the scrap for the gas tank. This is the bolt for the scrap. I already got one side up. Now I just gotta get this other side up. And we're gonna put one of them bolts in there. Only need one. Alright. See the scrap over there hanging down. down here. Yeah. Hey. Y'all see right up there where it mount to? Right up there. Yeah, that was like as far as it goes. That thing don't get nowhere near that mountain hole up there. Maybe it's another piece that's supposed to connect to up there. But this shit don't get nowhere near. Even with this boat being a pretty nice length, it ain't gonna reach it. That's crazy, that. Back to the drawing board on it. We're gonna have to regroup on the gas tank. It looks like it's missing some pieces. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get on these brakes. It seemed like they seized up, so I got some new wheel cylinders. I got a new adjuster thing too, but I don't know, I might just take it all the way apart and replace both of them. I'll cut y'all back on when I'm making some progress. Alright, so I don't got both of the wheel cylinders basically off. Passenger side, driver side. Alright, these are new ones. Let's compare them right quick. Buzz on that buzz. They look the same. Yep. Out with the old and with the new. I was gonna take the brakes all the way apart, but it really ain't no need because I can just swap this out. And I think even with the adjuster part, I can just swap that out without having to take the brakes all the way apart. So that's what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I'm about to go and slap these on. I'll turn y'all back on. Let's get it. got that knocked out on both sides. I ain't gonna mess with the adjust over here because this one was fine. Let me show you the other one though. This the one right here that's all flimsy and stuff. That's why I got them. But I might just replace both of them. See if I can get this off and replace without having to take the whole thing apart. From the looks of it, I should. Perfect. But anyway, I got the wheel cylinders done. Take care of that. And the other ones definitely was seized up because I could push these in. The other ones I couldn't. So yeah, those are seized. Cannot push those in at all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this one alone. I'm gonna go and put this wheel back on and mess with the other one. All right, I got the wheels put back on. I know I'm gonna have to bleed these brakes. What I'm about to do right quick is I'm about to vacuum this baby out. This thing ain't been doing nothing but collecting dirt and stuff since I had it. Clean some of this up right quick since I got the vacuum clean.
Perfect.
This right here is a whole bunch of screws that was already in the truck when I purchased it. I don't know what they go to. I'm guessing they probably go to like radiator shroud or some of the stuff that's missing up there. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep them till I get this baby squared away. Never know. That carpet clean up nice. Got a couple spots in it. Probably can shampoo it and bring it back to life. Clean up nice. Not play with the OBS. I've been wanting to do that for a while. Oh, carpet cleaned up nice, boy. I swear I probably could shampoo this thing and bring it back to life. Mix up my magic solution, treat them areas, hit it with that brush on the drill, come through with the extractor. Guarantee that carpet can be saved. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I was gonna say the alternator was working on this thing, but that battery probably already getting dead, and I can't let it sit and run long as I would like because of the radiator. She act like she wanted to fire. But yeah, man, these the adjusters. I'm gonna wait on them. I'm gonna wait to replace them. I think I'm gonna put these door handles back on just so I'll be able to put the new locks in them. Cause these shits made out of metal too. And they feel like metal. And the new joints made out of plastic. So I'll probably just clean these up real good, paint them, put the lock in it, put the new lock in it, and put these back on. Yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with them. Clean that little rust up on that part. Yeah, they was working perfectly fine. I just need the locks. But I'm like, hell, I can go ahead and put new handles on it. Fuck it, they were cheap, but I'm gonna put no handles back on. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this hood latch and stuff too. I got a new one. So whenever it is time to start taking this baby on the spin, I'll be able to close the hood. I'll probably do that next. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and order a radiator and a water pump. The rest of them, I get down the road. I know I got an alternator that was in my box. Look the exact same. Probably will go right in there. I think that alternator that was in the box was fairly new. Yeah, I tried to start and pop down cap. I gotta get an oil cap too. But yeah, I'm gonna start with a radiator and a water pump. Cause I know this radiator leaking, and I think that water pump squeaking. Start by getting both of them replaced. And you go and get them ordered. Cause the next time I go work on summer rain, I'm trying to drive this over there. That's my plan. Next time I go work on summer rain, I'm gonna be driving this. Drive this over there. I'll probably clean it. I'll probably clean this first, then start doing whatever work I gotta do to summer rain. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep on knocking stuff out. I think the next thing I do, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this new hood cable and stuff put up there. Brand spanking new. Yeah. I'm gonna get that put on. Just the latch piece that go under the hood. The one that's under there seems to be fine, so might not replace this just yet. I might wait to put that part on once I do the full rebuild. But I am gonna need that part. Go ahead and see about routing it through there. I'll cut y'all back on once I get to working on it. All right, YouTube, let's see. Let me get the camera around there. See how I got that baby up? Yeah. I always got a whole bunch of hardware. I got a whole bunch of bolts and stuff. I just found a longer one that had the same thread. And now the gas tank up. I can drop this baby down. Okay, so this is all the stuff that's being replaced in the past couple videos. I ain't show y'all the scribbler in the last video. Look at that. Man. Look at that. But yeah, this is everything that was replaced, man. I still gotta order the new spring and regulator for the stock fuel injector. So I'm still gonna put that back on here once I get that. But yeah, man. GM. I don't think none of this stuff ever been replaced. I don't see GM on that. PCV valve. Yeah, man, swapped everything out. Got that gas tank up. Oh, it's go time. I told you, man. Y'all know I'm persistent. And I'm trying to take this baby on a spin. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a quick look at these old parts before I trash them. Cause they about to go in the trash right now. You don't need to be collecting old shit that's being replaced. Gotta go. Make that damn beeping noise the whole time. I gotta unhook that shit. Coolant temp going up. I thought that right there was supposed to stop it. I'm definitely gonna have to check this wiring out because I don't even think this shit right here hooked up. Turn signal thing work. No bright light indication or nothing. Oh, there it go. So this might work. Ain't got no lights in there. I'm ready to take this bitch on a spin, YouTube. I'm telling you. Figure out what's up with it. One of them damn pulleys rattling like hell. She'll sit here and run. Ain't no more antifreeze, so I ain't gonna let it run too long. Oh yeah, that temp done got up there. Look at that. 210. Now we can go and kill it. It make that damn beeping noise the whole time that it's on. I don't like that. We'll have to figure out what that's about. I'm gonna put the top piece on. I'll probably get a new air filter for it too. I wanted to throw this baby in drive, but then when I press the brake light come on, cause it gotta be bled. So I ain't gonna throw it again until it's bled. I should have tried it when I had it up on them jet stands. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bleed them brakes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I want to take this bitch on a spin. Man, I swear I do. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. I like to wait till I get some paint on them. Then my creative juices really get to flowing. You know what I'm saying, with these names. Oh, she got one dent right there. One dent. And I think it's some shit on the hood. And this on the hood. That shit. Bumper. I'm just gonna replace that whole bumper. That whole front getting replaced. And then that right there. That's all the body work this thing need. And this bed is made out of fiberglass. I think from here down is fiberglass. That's metal, fiberglass. Look at the bubble over there. Man. When I come through with these Chevys, dog, I'm telling you what I know now. Well, yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and order a radiator and a water pump. One of these joints rattling. I'm thinking this is water pump. Radiator, water pump. Go ahead and get a new belt. Ooh-wee. Get a new belt. Eventually, I'll replace all these. But the first ones I'm gonna do, radiator because it's leaking, water pump because I think that's what's squeaking. And if it ain't that's what's squeaking, I'll probably do the power steering pump next, alternator, air compressor last. Just pacing myself, man. Pacing myself. This is a good running engine. When I do the swap on this, I'll probably either sell this engine or keep it. Cause I got the engine that came out the box too. So ain't nothing like having two or one good engine to be able to throw in the build that you get and be able to get the driving right then and there. Not a fan of those. I don't know nothing about carburetors or those. Or where they got the EFI junks. I'd probably rather have that one, but I think it's kind of an upgraded version of that. But yeah, man. Ain't got much going on this video. I'm just out here playing with the truck. I got the wheel cylinders put on. I got the gas tank put up. And she back on the ground. Next thing I'm gonna do is either mess with that latch, hook up that new latch. Yeah, this look fine. Even though it's just a couple bolts. Hell, I might replace all of it. Run the new cord. Well, it's coming out right there. Run the new cord. Might even try to hook this one back up. Shit. Cause a lot of that new stuff, man, I probably worry about putting that on once I do the swap. Put a lot of that new stuff on once I do the swap. See, it don't seem like it quite fit right. I don't know. She might have been working how she supposed to. I don't want to chance it. Well, I do got this open. It's worth a chance. Let's try it. Hold on. I was holding the phone wrong, so I got to redo everything. So I got the hood all the way closed. It's all the way closed. Now the hood latch work. You just got to pull it hard as hell. And she open. So yeah, like I was saying in that last clip, before I realized that I was recording the wrong way. The new cord and the new part that I got right here, I'm just gonna wait to replace them. Wait till I'm doing the rebuild. I ran that cord through there too, so it won't be hanging over the top. But yeah, I'll replace all that cord and stuff when I start doing the rebuild. Everything will be coming apart. The rebuild on this is gonna be just as extensive as Summer Rain, but it should go way quicker because this one in way better shape than Summer Rain was starting off, and it's technically smaller. Oh, it's go time. I'll cut y'all back on when we're making some more progress. All right, your boy out here getting busy, changing this oil and bleeding the brakes. I already did the back too. So I got my little jump. I ain't got no lights, so I ain't really recording it. Now I gotta do the front too. Think I'm about to go ahead and hop on them while this oil drain. I'm gonna let it sit there and just drip until she about bone dry. But yeah. I'm trying to have it a way that once I get the radiator, I can slap that baby in there and take it for a spin. Now, I got the radiator that came out of my box Chevy. It's smaller than that one. It's up under there though. Smaller. I might try it out though, just so we can take this baby for a spin. Might try it out. Once the oil finished draining and I put the plug back in, we'll pull that oil pan out, take a look at that oil. I think I'm about to go ahead and get down here and bleed the front brakes right quick. Go time. The baby finished draining. Yo, look at this oil. Man, that look like diesel oil. Engine oil, not supposed to look like this. Got the brakes bled. Fresh fluid all the way through there. And I'm about to top off this oil. So I ain't topping it off, fill it up with oil. Fire this baby up. I'm put some 1030, some high mileage, some 10W at 30. What's good, bro? 1030 high mileage off in this junk. Like I said, I might do another oil change right after this, just because of the condition that oil in. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, move the funnel. There we go. A little drippage. Yeah, this oil nice and thick too. That's what she need. I started to get some diesel oil since it looked like diesel oil. Started to get some 1540. It was cheap too. Even though I just did this, when I started back up and they get to working through the engine, it's gonna be black again, just like what I just drained. That's why I say do 2 on it. Do 2 oil changes on it. Give this chance to cycle through there. I'm out here tripping too. I was bleeding the brakes. I messed around and hit the hit the brake pedal. Brake fluid don't went everywhere. But yeah, man, that's 5 quarts. Let's go and fire this baby up. All right, so reverse work. Drive work. Alright, so drive and reverse work, transmission work. Alright, so I know the transmission work. Know the brakes work. It just keep getting better and better. Just keep getting better and better. I got some brake cleaner upstairs, and I think I got some of that engine degreaser. I don't know, but I'm gonna get all this cleaned up. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, got this baby dropped back down. Ain't no leaks coming from down there where I did the oil change yet. Alright, no leak. I went and got the oil cap off the bubble. I can't do too much because it's still no coolant, so a lot of smoke coming from inside the engine though. Look at it. And she's smoking up something. That old smoke too, boy. The smell bring back memories. Yeah, look at her, she's smoking. Oh yeah, that temperature don't shut up. Turn this baby off. temperature done shot up. Let's see what this oil look like. Gave it a couple good revs. Oil ain't that black. Got some little white stuff in there. What's that, y'all? Damn, oil came out clean as hell. Cleaner than I expected. Jeez. Baby back to light. What's goody, bro? That oil don't look half bad. His engine on being through it though, you can see it's something in there. 296,000 miles. Hell, I expect to see something, shit. I expected to see more than what I do see. Now, oil so clear, it's hard to tell if the level good. And it is leaning back, so. Yeah, it's good, like it's to that top hole. I don't know. Look better than I expected. I know that much. But yeah, man, my only concern right now is that damn smoke coming from up out of there. Oh yeah, she too hot. Let me leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it be. I'm gonna let it cool off. That damn temperature at 210 up in there. I don't wanna damage nothing. Making progress though. Brakes work. She hold oil look good now. Shee. Y'all better stop playing with me, dog. I'm gonna let this battery thing just sit here. Maybe it'll give some juice. But I'm gonna let it cool down. Then I'm gonna cut it back on. We're gonna play with it some more. YouTube. I'm ready to take this baby for a spin, huh? Rear it up. But nah, man, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it off here. I'm about done editing the video. I've been doing some research and I got some decisions to make. It's echoing. I gotta open this door. But yeah, I got some decisions to make. The truck running pretty decent. It's running pretty decent. I think I done spent about $300 getting it running. I've been buying a lot of cheap parts for it. I ain't trying to throw too much money into it right now because I plan on doing the LS swap. Plan on it being a build, so I just really want to see if this engine runs, so I ain't been trying to throw too much money into it. But it do need a radiator and I believe a water pump before I feel comfortable driving it. But the brakes work, got the brakes squared away. Got the brakes squared away, got the gas tank put up. Got it running pretty decent. She fired up, she's just making some noises up under there. And then it got some smoke coming out the engine. I don't really know what that's about. Like I said, I'm not gonna fix it. Not right now anyway. Whatever's wrong with the engine, I'm not gonna fix it. I ain't gonna put no money into this engine. Cause I could just, like, man, I be on Marketplace. And I probably can get up there right now and find 25 LS engines for sale up under $1,000. Some of them be paired with a transmission, wire harness, computer, everything. So, and there's a lot of donor trucks out there. A lot of Tahoes, Suburbans, Escalades, around the $2,000, around $2,000 too. So, I just ain't gonna put a lot of money into this truck when I plan on doing a build on it. So, I just want to get it to the point where it run and drive. Somebody might want this 350 in this transmission. I don't want it. I don't want it. Cause I was just pricing a lot of stuff. Cause in order for me to be comfortable driving, I want to replace the whole everything up there. Alternator, water pump, thermostat, power steering pump, all that. Cause something up there squeaking and rattling. It won't make any noise before I put the belt on. And for me to feel comfortable, I want all that shit replaced. And I ain't about to buy all that. If I'm gonna buy a serpentine setup, it's gonna be for an LS engine. It's just that simple. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna end the video off right here. I might buy the radiator so I can drive it over to the aunt crib, but I'm just gonna focus on getting summer rain wrapped up. Too close to being at the end of that build. So, and I just hit the 2-year mark. You know how Facebook, them memories come up on Facebook. Like 2 days before Christmas when I had that baby parked right over there and I was ripping that interior out. So it was in January when I drove over there to Aunt crib and really started ripping it apart. So I'm just at the 2-year mark. It kind of made me feel a little better. I damn sure won't planning on building on that car for this long. God, I ain't planning on doing nowhere near as much stuff as I did in that car. But I'm almost done. So the next episode will be the 50th episode. It might be another week before that episode get out, cause I gotta get I ain't going back over there until I got everything I need to start it. Yeah. Everything I need to start it. And I don't need nothing but like 2 sensors, a flex plate, and some headers. And the cord packs and wires and spark plugs. And I can buy all them in the kit. Hell, I can buy them at the parts store if I need to. But the next video will be on summer rain. It'll probably be on this and summer rain. I'm gonna drive this over there to Aunt crib, so I probably will order a radiator, cheap one, old eBay shit, $80. Get a radiator just so I can drive it over there to Aunt crib, cause it should sit here and idle. If I let it run, it'll just run. So that's a plus. I just kept turning it off because I don't want the motherfucker to overheat. If something happens, it's an old ass engine. Yo, that oil look way better than I expected it to look after the oil change. I used to work at a Express Lube, Jiffy Lube. Started off at Jiffy Lube, then I used to work at Express Lube. We never did no mechanical work though. Like, we didn't even change brakes when I was younger working at them shit. So, but from my experience, when you change oil and that shit drain out black like that, when you fill it up with the new oil and check the level, that shit still be black. But that oil look good. For the most part, whoever had this truck took care of it. I'm guessing it was like an older guy, and then his son or somebody got this shit and probably just started. They ain't never changed the oil. That oil was black as hell. But it don't leak. The oil looked good on the dipstick when I pulled it. This motherfucker got 296,000 miles. But yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna buy too much shit for this truck. Not for the engine anyway, cause that gotta go. Engine and transmission gotta go. So it go in reverse and it go in drive. So the transmission work. I wanted to check that out. I did it while I was on the jet stand. Y'all probably would have seen that in the video if you made it this far. But yeah, man, it's just a little. I'm closing this video out. Got the truck been sitting for a year. So I at least want to know what the hell I paid for. And if somebody want that damn transmission in this engine, they damn sure can get it for like $500. I don't want it. I already got an engine and a transmission sitting in my storage that came out of summer rain. Yeah, if somebody want that engine and transmission, they can get both of them for $500. If you go watch the videos, I drove summer rain from right here over there to my aunt crib to start doing the build. That's what I plan on doing with this one too. I can save that $150 for the towing and shit. Well, I'm gonna spend $80 of it on the radiator, but I'll be able to drive it over there. I got a lot to do, So it might be about another week, about 10 days before y'all get another video. Cause y'all know I like to drop long videos. And I do what I can do at the time that I had to do it. So with that being said, man, Happy New Year. If y'all made it to the end of the video, Happy New Year. It's 2024. It's definitely a new year. And we about to start this baby off with a bang, dog. Next episode of Summer Rain is gonna be the 50th episode. Damn, that's a lot of episodes. 2 years worth of videotaping, dog. And working on that car. But it's gonna be the 50th episode and we starting that baby up. It's go time. Once I get Summer Rain out the way, I'm jumping dead on this. I'm gonna paint the bubble. That's what I got a lot of work to do. So y'all gonna see everything. I'm gonna document everything. Cause like backyard over there, the backyard big as shit. But it's a lot of shit back there. He just let that motherfucker go. I'm gonna go clear all that shit out. Like, the backyard huge. So when I do this build, I'm gonna do it in the backyard, and I'm gonna get one of them inflatable booths. I'm gonna paint the bubble. The bubble gonna be simple. I'll probably just order a carpet for that. Shit, I'm gonna paint her. I ain't gonna go crazy on her just yet. I'm gonna go crazy on this first. I'll finish her down the line, but I'm gonna paint her. That's a good driving damn car. So I'm gonna paint her and make her look real pretty, like, you know what I'm saying? But before I do like the suspension and all that shit, once I get to the point where I want to do all that on that bubble, that's when I just decide to damn go crazy, get the frame and all that shit refurbished, you know what I'm saying? So, but for now, I'm just gonna paint that. I'll probably paint that while I'm building this. Well, yeah, I'm gonna take this in Aunt crib. I'm gonna bust her all the way down. It's a single cab truck, so it's gonna go way quicker than Summer Rain. This bitch is in awesome condition, so I ain't gotta weld shit. I ain't gotta fix nothing. I just gotta break her down, clean her up, paint her, put it back together. And I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep the burgundy thing. I'm gonna keep the burgundy thing. You know what I'm saying? Mama came up with a name for it. She called her Ruby. I like that. I like Ruby. So we're gonna call the single cab, her name Ruby. And we're gonna keep this color thing where we just gonna spice her up a little bit. You feel me? We're gonna give her a little razzle dazzle. But yeah, this Ruby right here. Still ain't named the bubble yet, but this Ruby. So mama came up with that name. But yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe, dog. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. It's gonna be a video of Summer Rain, but I'm gonna drive this one over there. And clean her up. Cause I'm gonna put the power washer to this thing. This one been sitting for a long time. But it's in great condition, dog. This is what you call a barn find. You'll see some videos, dudes will get a car. That motherfucker be rusty. That motherfucker be some junkyard shit, and they'll call it a barn find. This is what you call a barn find. This truck got damn near 300,000 miles on it, all original. On the outside panels, everything all original. And this is what it looked like. This is what you call a barn find. That rusty shit motherfucker pull out from beside somebody's barn. That ain't no barn find. 296,000 miles. Watch how it look once I put that power washer to it. I might try to find some videos of when I first bought this shit. It ain't seen no water other than weather since I purchased it. This is what you consider a barn find. Them bullshit rusty ass cars niggas be finding on the side of a goddamn road and want to talk about a barn find. Fuck out of here. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.